Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A14 phone. For this we need a brush like this. It should be a bit stiffer so you can clean thoroughly, but the bristles should be soft or medium hard. In addition, we need 100% isopropyl alcohol so that after cleaning it will simply evaporate and not leave any traces. You can buy these brushes in a set like this. You can buy them on Allegro or Amazon, and if you don't have one, a toothbrush with soft or medium soft bristles will do. It can't be hard because that will scratch the phone, so you need one of these things to clean it. First, we need to completely turn off the phone. We always turn off the phone before cleaning. Once we've turned off the phone completely, we slide it to the side. Here we have the speaker. We moisten the toothbrush. I'll move it up so that it's clearly visible. We thoroughly moisten the toothbrush with alcohol so that it's wet. And with a steady motion in one direction, we clean the speaker. First downwards, for example, like I'm doing now, 10 times towards myself, then 10 times away from myself, so that it's one directional, so the dust simply comes out of the speaker from the place where the speaker is. But if we were to do it the other way, we'd just be pushing the dust further into the speaker. A steady motion 10 times in one direction, 10 times in the other direction. As you can see, the dust is coming out. And we repeat this about 5 times. 10 times in each direction, then again in the other direction. That's 5 times. And now we leave the phones for about 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate, so there won't be any short circuit or anything like that. And then we can use the phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.